Take your pricker, which you can fashion from a tambour handle and a fine needle, size of your choice. Place the needle into the hole, pull up to a comfortable length and tighten the screw. This is now ready for use. Take a bullion board or some folded up fabric so you've got a bit of cushioning, and your draft, which should be on tracing paper. Turn the draft over and begin to prick holes following the lines of your draft using the pricker. It's important that the pricker is at 90 degrees to the draft so that the channel created is true. When you turn your draft over, it should feel very bumpy on the right side, so that you know that the channels are in the right place. This is now ready for us to use on our final fabric. So taking your Pounce, hold the draft firmly and rub the Pounce over the top so it can fall through the channels you've created. This will create a nice clear dotted line of your Pounce powder onto the fabric, which you can then draw in using a very fine, hard pencil. When you come to the end of drawing in your Pounce, give your fabric a good thwack against a hard surface to knock all the Pounce powder out, and you'll be left with a faint pencil line to follow on your fabric. If you've enjoyed this tip, give us a like, and if you're new, subscribe to the London Embroidery School YouTube channel.